whispers drift where lovers meet. A clarinet croons with velvet sighs beneath the gaze of midnight sky.